Hey everybody, my name is Bill Bradley and I'm a registered dietitian. I want to invite you over the next 4 to 5 months to be on a weight loss journey with me. I have lost 50 pounds and I've kept it off for quite a lot of time, a number of years. I decided recently that I'd like to weigh what I weighed in college. So I have about 20 pounds to lose. We're going to have a weekly vlog, we're going to do cooking videos, and we're going to talk about a lot of the ways that were successful for me to lose weight, which includes eating the Mediterranean diet, changing my habits, focusing on my gut microbiome, eating more fat, lots of things that new research has shown is good for losing weight. So you're going to follow my journey as I lose the last bit of weight that I need to lose, and I hope that you join and share with us your journey. I'm going to tell stories about why I'm losing weight. One of them is that I have a 2-year-old daughter and I'm an older dad and I want to be a good example to her. I'm also going to tell a story about my mom and how she dieted her whole life and how in the end it really killed her. I want this to be motivational and I want it to be inspirational. I want to show you the really successful way to lose weight and keep it off. And all you have to do to join is hit subscribe below and you're in, and then you'll start to get all the videos, and I hope you join us on this amazing journey.